Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Wealthy Mindset. It's yours truly, Money Making Mitch. And as usual, guys, this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and research. Big news are coming out of China's EV space. Nio's Onvo brand is gaining serious momentum yet again, and the numbers are turning head. Let's start with the headline. In March, Nio's Onvo brand delivered 6,877 vehicles, showing a powerful rebound and strong growth trend. A lot of analysts are pointing towards Nio's changing its business model and having all three brands in the same showroom. It was a genius masterstroke. And leading the charge, the Onvo L90, Nio's flagship family SUV. Of course, we all know with the price of gas skyrocketing worldwide, electric vehicles will skyrocket along with it. It will sell like hotcakes. The L90 alone delivered 3,360 units in March. That's a massive 155% increase month over month, guys. A full year of profitability awaits us indeed. You see, this kind of acceleration highlights growing demand and increasing recognition, excuse me, guys, for Onvo's lineup. A refreshed Onvo L90 is set to launch soon. Yes, a refreshed Onvo L90 is set to launch soon, featuring an upgraded smart driving system. Yes, you heard that right, including a LiDAR-equipped version for enhanced performance and advanced capabilities. It's like getting a premium EV for a sub-brand priced. This shows how quickly Nio is evolving its technology and responding to customer demand with more options and innovation. Nio is preparing to introduce the Onvo L80. Yes, a new brand yet again. A new 5-seat SUV that will expand the brand's lineup and give buyers even more flexibility. Because some people might not want the L60, it's too small. Some might not want the L90, it's too big. But the L80 might be the right fit for that family. With multiple models targeting different segments, Onvo is positioning itself as a major force in the EV market. Now let's talk about another rising star in the Nio ecosystem, the Firefly. This premium compact EV sub-brand just hit a huge milestone, 50,000 deliveries in just 11 months, crushing its segment. That's an incredibly fast ramp-up showing strong demand and efficient scaling. Firefly has also gained international recognition, winning an award in New York, highlighting its design and innovation on a global stage. Excuse me, guys, put it all together and the story is clear. Onvo deliveries are surging. The L90 is gaining traction fast. New tech and models are launching. Firefly is hitting milestones and earning global recognition. Nio is building a multi-brand EV ecosystem that's expanding rapidly across segments. So if you're watching the EV market closely, Nio is definitely a company to keep on your radar. And you see, a lot of people may go out swimming, but you don't know if they all got on clothes. Just like the emperor, who came out naked thinking he was the best dressed. As the tides recede, we will see those who are left naked. I hope you guys found this video yet again to be informational, inspirational, and motivational. If so, guys, boop, boop, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. It takes a lot of time to do these videos and the editing. And if you haven't yet subscribed, you might want to think about doing so, because in this channel, we are waking up the middle class for the first time to get a major piece of the pie from the ground level up as to how the games are played on Wall Street. And like 50 said, we get rich or we die trying, guys.